Hello, what is good? So I'm going to be talking about the Remington curling wand, and I know they have a bigger version of this, but I actually wanted the smaller um one. I thought about purchasing the bigger one for the lower part of my hair and this one for the top part of my hair, but I just got this instead. Long story short, I really didn't know how to start curling my hair, so especially someone did my hair one day and he used a curling iron and the curls was off the chain, and I started doing with a curling iron too, but I was like, okay, maybe I should find something that's easier, how I can, curl wand curl my hair. I was gonna say curl wand curl my hair. And I've used this for a very long time. I used this for a while and my curls were really defined with this actually, and it's really easy to use. What I normally do, I just wrap the hair like just upwards like this, and I just wrap my hair, starting here and wrap it all the way down to here, just wrap it, and then I kind of just go downwards, or sometimes I'll wrap my hair downwards and then I turn it upward. So yeah, so what I do is I wrap the hair around the curl wand. I wrap my hair around the wanding curl, and just like this, and I'll wait a few seconds and then up and then undo it, then the curl will just drop, and then I'll go on to the next section. It did come with a glove. I don't know what happened to it. I mean, if you buy, most likely that one, it comes with a glove, so you ain't gotta worry about your fingers being burnt, especially if you're new at this. I've been doing that for a while, so I know, how to hold my hair, when to let go, not keep it on there for too long. Make sure my fingers doesn't touch wanding curl iron, and just making sure that I know exactly what to do. I mean, at first, yeah, I did burn myself a couple times because, I wasn't never too fond of doing my hair when it comes to that stuff. Like, I didn't really know how, instead of just flattering on my hair. And yeah, that's pretty much flattering on my hair and rod curling my hair pretty much. But I wanted to know how to do that. So it's really easy. And I'm going to go ahead and turn it on so you can see like the temperatures, and turn it up, turn it down, stuff like that. So as you can see, it's at 410. But what do is you just hold it like that. You press it on, and it lets you know like when it's loading and stuff. And the highest is 410, and the lowest is 350. Wait, oh yeah, it's been a while since I used this. 266, and it has a place right here where you can hold it, so you don't have to worry about it being like burning you on the bottom part. But that's what it looks like. And you can just adjust the volumes, plus up or down. I used to kind of like stick with the 284 or the 302 just because I'm very particular on the heat. And like I said before, how you turn it off, you just go like that. But it does work. I would recommend using like a heat protector with this, because I don't know, it's just because it's dealing with tools, it's dealing with heat. So I would recommend using that just with your bare hair and not having no heat protector on it. Like I have before and nothing happened, thank God. But everybody's different, and you want a nice shine to it as well. Like when you do that, like it looks really good when you give it like a nice shine. And you can actually do like smaller curls. Like normally sometimes when I do smaller curls, I kind of stay in this section right here. And then they have a wand curl that's even smaller than this, but I just like this because it was very easy to use. I used one not by this brand, but I used another one. And it did nothing to my hair. Like, I took it back and I was like, okay, I really need to do some research on what is a good wand curling iron. Like, what can actually like wand curl my hair very, very good. So I used and saw that people using this, and I saw the results, and I said, yes, I got to use that. I have to use this. Like, I got to get this. I got to get this. So I hurried up and ran back and did exchanged and was like, okay, I really need to get this. But I think it's called like the Remington Pro Pearl, something like that. Surprisingly, I did not keep the box. Normally I would, but I threw it away. And I threw away that glove too. But I think it like held like all of these fingers right here. I don't know if it did all of it, but it was a glove to where you wouldn't burn your thumb and your index finger, middle finger. Let me stop talking because I don't know exactly what it protected, but I know it protected your fingers, and I don't remember because it's been some time. But like, again, wrap your hair around. You can either come downwards or you can come upwards. Down, wait a while, come up, or let me say, wrap your hair around like this way, then hold it up for a few seconds, let it drop, or you can curl your hair like this and then drop and then let it drop. You know, everybody's different, so it just depending on like what your hair likes and what you like, and you know how you like to curl your hair. But I definitely love this curling wand. You see it's still with me. It's been with me for some time, but it still works like wonders. So yes, this is a good wand curling.